Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for those who don't know me, I am Laura and this is Confident Notions. So it is middle of December. Hope everybody is doing well with their holiday preparations, whatever you choose to do, however you choose to celebrate. I hope you're doing your thing. So I wanted to come on today for another unboxing video because that's what I do. And today I wanted to do, because I got the mail today, the Boxycharm Boxyluxe. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a subscription box that guarantees, their normal subscription box is $25 a month. And they guarantee that you're gonna get 5 full-size-ish makeup or beauty products for $25, and you'll get a value over $100 or $125 or something like that. Well, they also have something called Boxycharm Luxe, which is this. And every 3 months, you can pay an additional $25 in addition to the $25 that you're currently spending on Boxycharm and get Boxyluxe. And I think this one, they guarantee like 10 to 12 items and like a $200 and something value and some crazy shit like that. So this is my first Boxyluxe box, and it came today and I'm super excited to like crack into it and see what we got. I did get an email a couple of days ago that says, hey, do you want to customize your Boxyluxe? And I'm like, yeah, and I clicked on it and it was like, oh, you don't have Boxyluxe. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure I do. So it's gonna be a surprise to you like it is to me. So let's see what we got in here. Not opened it, but I did bring some scissors. So let's see what we got. So when you open it up, it looks like this, right? All kinds of stuff packed in here and the card. So the cool thing about the card is they tell you on the back of it everything that you get and the price of it. Yes, maybe, yes. Okay, I don't want to look at it because I don't want to know what it says. So this month's theme is whimsy, and I guess all the shit in here is whimsical. So let's see what we got. First thing we've got up here, ooh, Daily Concepts Hair Wrap Towel. So it says, for a quick dry and smoothing experience, anti-frizz towel, easy to use, instant drying. This is nice. This is cool. I have one, like I have a Norwex one that for the life of me, I can't figure out how to get all my hair in. And then I have like another like generic Amazon-y one that I rarely use. So I'm stoked to have another one, and maybe I can make this one work and fit on my head. So cool. Next thing up, we've got this little bottle of something. It says In Beauty Project. Ooh, Power Up Dual Setting Mist. Helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away dull, tired, stressed out skin complexion. Use under makeup to prep skin and over makeup to set your look. Okay, so it's got aloe, witch hazel, electrolytes, and all that stuff in here. So here's the thing. I'm not a big fan of mist on my face. I don't want to spray shit on my face. I don't want to feel like the mist coming all over the place. So yeah, nice, but I'm probably not gonna use this because I don't want to spray anything on my face, just to be completely honest. I don't want to spritz, so I'm sure people will love it though. Next thing up, we've got the QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. When I saw that, I immediately thought, oh, maybe like to fix my lipstick, but that doesn't make sense. Lip Serum. Lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, more youthful appearance. You saying I'm old? Boxycharm. Say I'm old, I need to plump up my lips so that I don't start to get like the little like lines and my lipstick like creeping into my lines. We'll give this a go. See how that works out. Let's see what else. Now we've got Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacial Water Cream. Okay, dermatologist tested. Dive into hydration, dry skin hydration. Okay, so just out of curiosity, let me open this lip thing. Oh. This lip thing, it's got this weird little, I can't work it. Oh, you twist it. Oh, and then this little doodad pops up. Oh, shoot. I just made a mess. It looks like that. Well, I do have lipstick on, so I'm not gonna, it's a very, like, can I twist it back? Oh good, I can twist it back down. Cover up the mess that I just made and just got shit everywhere on my fingers. So very lightweight. Doesn't really smell like much of anything. So, okay. I'll rub it on my lips later. So back to this one, I digress. So Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacial Hydrating Cream. It's a cream, I guess, with a little thing on here, and you pop, oh. Well, it doesn't smell, which is good. So I guess this is just an all over moisturizing cream. Okay. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna put it on. I guess put it all over your skin, so all right. Let's see, what else we got in here? Next thing up, ooh, we've got some Too Faced Melted Matte Metallic. A matte metallic lipstick. Please be a lipstick in the color Faking It. Ooh. Go on. Now we're getting into it. None of this like face shit. Let's get some, oh yeah, would you look at that? That's what you're talking about. That's my colors. Oh boy. Woohoo! That is a bronzy metallic matty lipstick, and I'm here for it. So, all right, we got some Too Faced Matte Metallic. You're getting better, Boxy Charm. I was getting a little nervous here. Some shit spray on your face. All right. Let's see what else we got. We got a couple of things wrapped in bubble wrap, so let's get away from those. God damn it. Next thing up is this Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. So, I'm allergic to soy. It's not gonna kill me, but I prefer not to use soy-based products. So, that's disappointing. Super disappointing. So it's a big old thing of, and I am next to certain that they ask if you had any allergies, and I said I had a soy allergy. I'll have to back and check my stuff. But yeah, this Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, it's got a little thing on it, which it'll stay on there because I'm freaking allergic to soy. So I don't want to wash my face with it. I don't want to eat it. I don't want to do any of that stuff with it. So that's disappointing. Onto the bubble wrap. Maybe we'll get some better stuff in here. Let's see what else. We've got the Confetti Highlighter. All right. Highlighter, and it comes in all wrapped up in this chromey thing. Well, that's cute. You just got a big old reflection of me on my phone. Oh, can you see that? It's all like confetti looking. It's definitely you can't really see that, but it's like a darker highlighter. So definitely a little more bronzier highlighter. It might be a little dark for me. So, Boxyluxe, you ain't good. Shit ain't good. Better redeem yourself real soon. So yeah, I don't know. I might try to make that work and see how that goes. So far, we've got some lip shit, this lipstick, and a hair tie thing. So 2 more things in here. The next thing we've got up is M Green Grass, and this is a dry oil spray. Fragrance is Beach Air, inspired by Greece. And it's bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, heliotrope, and musk. Fast absorbing dry oil spray with a blend of high quality oils, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft. More shit to spray on your face. Massage oil right into your skin, put it in your hair. Oh, it stinks. Oh, that's terrible. I'm not like a negative person, but I was really excited for this box. Like I was super excited because it was my first like Boxyluxe box, and I was really excited to see because I saw it like last quarter and it was really good. And I am not happy with any of this, and I am not like a negative person. Oh, oh God, that stinks. That musk smells like ass. All right, I got one last thing in here. It looks to be a palette. Please don't suck. So this is the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. And it is a palette of, and it's a cute little palette. It's got a mirror in it and then a couple of different colors. It's cute because they are like named after like Hans Christian Andersen like characters. So we've got Briar, Rose, Spindle, Talia, Castle, Prince, Grimm, Beauty, Woodland, Enchanted, Fairies, Thorn, and Kiss. So that's cute. It seems like a lot of packaging in this book for a palette that just has just one set of things in there. Let's go ahead and swatch a couple of these. I'm sorry, I'm just really disappointed with all of this. So we'll swatch the Enchanted, the Woodland, the Kiss, the Thorn. Yeah, let's see what we've got here. It's kind of patchy. A little patchy for what you get. So yeah, and that was it in the Boxyluxe. So let's take a look at my package and see what I got. So the Storybook Cosmetic Tale, they say this thing was $55. This is Storybook Cosmetic Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose palette for $55. This is not a $55 pigment. The Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Cream was $39. The Confetti Highlighter was $32. Achieve a Skin Kiss Glow. Yeah. This Soy Cleanser was $48. I'm not happy about that. This Melted Matte Lipstick was $21. The Setting Mist is wherever, oh, this thing here was $32. The Dry Oil Spray, which is about to make me sneeze, was $36. They're saying this lip line corrector was $200. $200. They're saying this thing is $200. And the Daily Concepts Hair Towel Wrap was $18. So in terms of the value of the box for the $50 I paid, is there definitely over $50 worth of value in here? Yes. I mean, I don't have my calculator here. 55, so 100, 140, 172, 193, 210, 250, 400. So they're saying this is like a $400 and some box for all of this. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think, I mean, I definitely think it's worth it, but I don't know. Let me know if you think I'm being a salty bitch, being unhappy with what I got. So, yeah. So that was my Boxyluxe unboxing. So let me know if you got it. Let me know what you think, both of you. It looks like I have variation 25. So yeah, so if you like videos like this and you like watching me do unboxing videos, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will talk to y'all later after I figure out what to do with all this shit that I can't use. So have a great rest of your night, y'all. Bye.